Welcome to another session of our online classes. We are given that 5 raised to the power x plus 2 equals 250. We want to find 5 raised to the power x minus 2. Let's jump straight into it. So given that 5 raised to the power x plus 2 equals 250. 5 raised to the power x plus 2 can be written as 5 raised to the power x multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 equals 250. That is, from indices, one of the laws says that a number a raised to the power m multiplied by a number a again raised to the power n. Because the bases are the same, we can write this as a raised to the power m plus n. So this is what we are applying over here. So if you are given this, you can expand to become like this. This is 5 raised to the power to give us 25. Multiplying 5 raised to the power x equals 250. Divide both sides by 25 by 25. Giving us 5 raised to the power x is equal to, that is 25 goes here, 10. 25 goes into 25, 1, then add a 0, 10. But we are not asked to find 5 raised to the power x. We are asked to find 5 raised to the power x minus 2. 5 raised to the power x minus 2 can be written as 5 raised to the power x all over 5 raised to the power 2. That is, again, another law of indices says that a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. So if I have this one, I can expand to give us this. This is giving us, already we know that 5 raised to the power x is equal to 10. So just by doing our substitution, I'm going to have 10, which is for 5 raised to the power x here, over 5 raised to the power 2 give us 25. We break this one down to give us 5 goes into 10, 2 goes into 25, 5 times. Therefore, our 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 2 on 5. Do follow us for more. Goodbye.